Good morning, Paradise Crew. Today is day 4 of our cruise. We are about to try to get off the ship. We do need our passports for this cruise excursion because we are going into Canada today. Hey! So I have those. I have our paper ticket, and we're dressed in lots of layers. You cannot tell by here, because it's possibly supposed to get to like 65, which sounds lovely. But right now it's only like 51, which is cold. So
I should bring a jacket just in case.
Yes.
Maybe.
I would. Yeah, I have a jacket, a sweater, short sleeve shirt, and I have like a light rain jacket in my bag. Now that one was easy. Probably because people don't know that you can get off the ship. Yeah, we literally walk straight off. It feels like a fall morning in West Virginia. It's kind of rainy. The smell of the mountains, the fresh air. It's quite lovely, actually. I just would like the rain not to happen today because I don't want to be rained on. So on these giant rocks, there's a bunch of paintings with the cruise line and the ship with the captain and the date. That's really interesting. We are on our way out of town, I believe going up the White Pass Summit, but Skagway is very interesting. Definitely reminds me of back home. Very, very small town. We've made our first stop. We are on our way out of town. I believe behind me is part of the White Pass Summit. Absolutely gorgeous. The weather is cooperating so far, and it is very beautiful. Very interesting facts about Skagway, the city and the town itself. There are less than 1,000 people that live there, which is very interesting. There's one place that has free Wi-Fi, and it's the library. What other fun facts about Skagway can you name, honey?
That the pine needles that fall into the lake end up decomposing, making the water turn black, and it reflects it like a mirror. So
that's cool.
It's pretty neat.
It's neat.
Also, the water stays super cold, and that the cross-country runners, after practice, they will actually just ice their legs after practice in the water for about 10 minutes. It's that cold.
That sounds cool to me. I guess we made it to a perfect spot for Cullen to fly the drone. So he's gonna try to do that. He's getting really excited because, you know, he had very little flight time yesterday. But we've stopped here further up the mountains. And we'll see what kind of footage he can get. I'm excited. We're at the Welcome to Alaska sign. It's obviously a little foggy, if you have not noticed. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to fly the drone up here, but it's still very pretty. And with the fog and the Alaska sign, I think it's pretty cool. So maybe we'll take some photos, and then we're going to explore some more. Tormented Valley. There's like no one around, and this place goes for miles, and it is stunning. We literally crossed over the border into Canada, and all of a sudden the clouds just kind of vanished. So it's really remarkable how beautiful it is. The sun has come out. It's gonna be a beautiful day. A beautiful day. Look at this. Look at this. This is unreal. You don't see stuff like this in Florida, y'all. The water is just so blue. And the trees are so green. And as we were driving up, like, the valley was just, oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. It's beautiful. So, you have to come up here just to take photos. Because it's just something else. It's something else up here.
To fading out underwater. Yeah, are we losing touch? Are we falling? And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home, like home. Home, feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the
We're on the last stop of our tour. We have a nice little overlook of the city. And look, there's our ship. And all the other ships. And how much bigger our ship is than compared to all the other ones.
Yeah, you're on the back ship?
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
These are actually all pretty big ships.
This is so pretty.
So,
a great shot.
Where that big rock slide happened.
Mm-hmm.
Went right through. There's another, it wasn't that right close. There's another building, giant boulder went right through it.
Oh my.
Yeah. Completely just. The nets are for the little rock.
Yeah, no.
The giant boulder.
Yeah, the problem is, so the
Guys, everything here is just so pretty.
So pretty.
I mean, this morning it was kind of gray. It looked like it was going to rain, but the colors of the trees and the blueness of the water,
yeah,
everything's just vibrant and super pretty. So this is definitely a place where you're gonna want to sightsee to see all of the sights. What?
I think it would have been cooler to be like the promenade right there, but
Yeah, so guys, I've never seen the Radiance up close before. That's really neat. There's elevators, so the glass elevators. I know you probably can't see that. You probably can't see that through the glass, but there are glass elevators facing the outside of the ship. So when you're going up and down the elevators, you can see outside the ship. Gosh, and there's so much glass, like on the outside, like on the top deck, where you can just sit out and look at everything. Oh, hey! Have a good day! They are getting ready to do more whale watching, I think. And then
John did a helicopter tour.
He already did it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was this afternoon.
Oh.
Well, anyhow, John's doing a helicopter tour today, which we're fairly envious of. But I'm sure he had or will have a great time. You guys, we just got back to our room before going back out into Skagway, and we got a special delivery. These lovely looking red velvet cupcakes. Enjoy Alaska from Sharon. Compliments of Jamie and Matthew.
Nice. You guys. Oh, it's on. I think a gift war just started. Thank you guys. This is incredible. And it's funny because I love red velvet chocolate cake. Or red velvet cake.
Well, there's technically chocolate in
It's
it.
nice and chilled too. When do you want to bite into this? Can we bite into this tonight with wine?
Absolutely.
Ooh, and put it in the fridge. Heck yeah. I'm excited. That made our day.
So thank you, Jamie and Matthew, and Sharon. I'm sure you had something to do with it. Or probably all to do with it, to be honest, because...
It's funny, because I was talking to John, we were talking to John, he's like, they surprised us with some stuff. I was like, they didn't get us anything. Oh, I see how it is.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see how it is. No, they got us something. That's so nice of you guys.
Thank you.
Oh, it's on now.
So we will be eating those tonight, and we will share how delicious
Well,
they
I was
are.
going to try chilling, but the fridge is too small.
Can we talk about this fridge for a second? No. What? Why can you lock the fridge? I seriously thought it was a safe earlier. So I'm not sure what the purpose of locking the fridge is. If anybody knows, please let us know in the comments below. I mean, I guess like if you put some wine in there or some chocolate that you don't want your husband to have, you can just like lock it so he can't get to it. Just use your anniversary as your passcode and they probably won't remember.
Oh!
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyhow, we are going to get back off the ship for our salmon bake.
Salmon bake.
And then I think we're going to walk around town a little bit before getting back on. Because we should have some time before dinner, which is going to be in the Solarium Bistro tonight.
I'm worried about that. I'm wondering how it's going to be. Like, are the they're going to set up nice tables and stuff? Or is it going to be like,
so.
Hey, you saved enough room. We're saving enough room for you to walk through this buffet line right quick and sit down in here. Type of thing.
No, I don't know. They ask you or they make you make reservations. So it's not like breakfast or lunch where it's just open seating. You have to make reservations for it. And it's supposed to be like a healthier fare. So I don't know. We'll find out. That's kind of what we've been doing this whole time, is just going with the flow and finding out things for you guys. That's what we're doing for you. There is a show tonight, a headliner, another comedian. That would be the third one in a row that we would have seen. We didn't do. I guess there wasn't a show last night. There wasn't a show last night.
Nuh-uh.
Because it was supposed to be the 70s party, which was not really a party, or 70s. So
More like 70s. I don't know what that was. It wasn't a 70s party. It was more like just like, hey, we got a good old school mix going. Go ahead and bring your girl, bring your hubby, just dance the night away. Or sit down and nod your head. So
that's pretty much what it was. So yeah, they didn't have a show last night. So we are probably gonna do that because, well, why not? And then we still have like 3 full days left on this cruise.
dang.
So anyhow, yeah.
Let's go get some popcorn.
Now Colin wants popcorn. Okay. We could probably get it afterwards.
Yep.
So we're not carrying it around.
I agree.
Okay. Yeah. This light does not make me look good. Guys, look at this squirrel. Alright, buddy. You're gonna hurt yourself. That's plastic. Okay. Can I have that, please? Can I have that, please? Can I have it?
Alyssa's legit talking to squirrels.
Shut up. I don't like that he has plastic. No, can I have it? Thank you. Don't litter, people. That's terrible. Poor squirrel. He could have choked on that. Poor squirrel.